Hi, my name is Apurva Tapas. I'm 30 years old. I've been coming to Swasth Medical Yoga Center for around 3 months now. The issues I was dealing with was I had a lot of pain in my neck and in my lower lumbar spine also. And I used to feel my nerve getting pinched behind in my waist and my hip. So because of that, I started coming here. I found out about this through my mother. She had an accident, so her arm was hurting a lot, especially her bones. So she had a great experience here. So I started coming here as well. Everybody was very shocked that at such a young age I was having issues with my spine and degeneration in the spine and things like that. So even I was really worried ki, why is it happening so early in my life. But since coming here, I realized that firstly I learned why all of it was happening, which is largely bad posture, lack of flexibility. But more than that, after coming to the center, I actually learned what was wrong with my spine, which I mean through x-rays and things we understand where the gap is, etc. But to really understand why it's happening, what lifestyle changes also you need to make. I'm doing 2 treatments right now. One is in the center in the evening, which is the tractions that we put here, as long as doing an online course with sir. So that is every week in the morning we do yoga for an hour, 3 days a week. So in the online course also I've had a great experience because I used to do yoga before this and I used to go to gym as well. But after joining this class, I realized that there is a different way of doing it, especially after understanding the nuance of yoga. So in the sense that how you release your muscles, what your posture should be. Earlier I used to do it with a lot of force, just trying to achieve the final posture that we see in pictures or we see our teachers doing it. But after going through this online session, I realized that you do it according to your body and how it should be done, because sir explained it theoretically and how to actually do the postures. Now I do it for myself and I see the results are actually much faster. And the toning that you get through gymming or you get through other kinds of exercises, you can achieve that through yoga, in fact, very quickly and with less effort. And also it helps you to look better and then it tones you very quickly. So that has been a great experience so far. The pain in my lower back and upper back has reduced. My posture has also changed. I noticed that my body realigns itself even when I'm actually not paying attention in daily life. When you're sitting or working on a laptop, or if you're watching something or on your phone. So then I realized after practicing here, automatically I've started sitting better, standing better, and the pain has also reduced. So I definitely recommend this to everybody. Yeah, thank you.